What's up, you guys? Today we have these D'Addario elliptical strap pins or end pins. Here's the front of the packaging. As you can see, it's pretty cool looking. In the back, it has instructions and the name of what they are. And the logo up here. Let's unbox them real quick. So it's just some cardboard and some plastic right here. So let's just carefully separate these. So you have one pin right here. Let's see if we can get the other one out. And then there's like the little extra parts in here. As you can see, you get 4 gold screws. Here's a Phillips head. They have relatively big heads. There's like a slight taper here. And the gold's really nice. The finish is like super consistent. There's no like speckledness anywhere or anything. Everything's pretty smooth and consistent. These are some pretty good screws. These are the 2 gaskets you'll put in between the pins and like the guitar body. They're like these like black, pretty thin rubber things. So they're pretty squishy actually. Like they'll protect your body 100% when you're installing these. If you can see, there's a small amount of give there, so your guitar body wouldn't like dent when you're installing these, I don't think. Here's the main thing. Here's the pins. So here's the top of it. It's like the diamond shape. There's like that slight curve to it, so it'll be easier to install on the strap. And it's flat or relatively like tapered in like this. So I don't think the strap will come off easily like when you're playing standing up. There's the spot where like you'll like install the strap. There's like that little groove you can see. The gold is also like super reflective as well, and it's like super smooth, and there's no speckledness or scratches anywhere. Here's what a screw installed look like. There's like this small little divot right here, so it's pretty nice looking. I enjoy it. I like how it looks. You can see that's so far the screw's probably gonna go into your body. That's what I did. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you all later.